see.
But
Okay.
it was dead. I saw
Okay.
it was dead.
Well, let's see here.
Okay. And then, after you
Yeah.
do that, I got a new Dell. Same thing, upgraded.
How old is this
Whatever.
thing? It's on. With a full battery.
Okay.
Careful,
Okay.
don't snag on the power. It's still snag. Yeah, there.
Okay. Here is, well, okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I don't want this computer. It's bad luck for me.
All right.
But I want to show you what I'm trying to do,
Yeah,
which is, and I'm going to take a picture so I will remember.
that's fine. Yeah.
So crazed. Okay, where is it? Okay, I got a new computer. It's great. Blah blah
Right.
blah. It has Outlook on it. What I'm trying to do, I put
Yeah.
all the Carbonite folders on here, and what I'm trying to do is
You want to mirror exactly on the new one as you have on the old?
yes, and I don't know how to. What I don't understand is how to set all this stuff up.
Yeah, we'll do it. Okay, so
Okay.
are you playing with the old one?
Yes,
Good,
because I
so
just
now-
want to take a picture.
So yeah, yeah, I was just lecturing another customer about how moving on to new hardware is excellent when you have the existing machine to work with.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a lot easier to deal with.
But it doesn't have all my folders.
What's missing?
Wait, Outlook.
Yeah, just. Are you online?
So it has all
yeah, you
the.
are. Are you
Am I?
online?
I don't know.
Click this arrow here. Let's make sure. That little up arrow.
This thing.
Yeah. Let's make sure your Wi-Fi is on. Let me make sure it
Okay.
is. I'm gonna unplug this because I don't want to snag it.
Yeah.
There's the Wi-Fi icon.
That little
The one that looks like the black rainbow.
It should be there.
Yeah. Okay, updates. Continue. Oh, yeah. See, this Kaspersky is asking for permission for everything. Look at that. You
I
see,
know.
That's Kaspersky. It's asking you. It's basically blocking Outlook right now.
Okay.
So I personally am. My philosophy is minimalism.
Right.
I would not add Kaspersky. It's not a necessary component.
What would you use, McAfee?
I wouldn't add extra software to manage your traffic. If you get a good router, you're pretty much okay. Yeah.
Because I still had. Okay, well, it's on the new one because I still had subscription stuff left.
Yeah, basically it was your folders might have just been inaccurate because Kaspersky wasn't divulgent enough, or obvious I should say, to what it was doing. So now let's wait a minute and see if, are your folders there now?
My work ones are, but my. No, see, there's nothing under here.
When were they last there?
When I was with you 2 days ago. 3
Okay, let me
days ago.
see. Actually, let me get some table for us here. Let's do, this is probably not the best one. It's kind of uneven. Kind of tears. But let's try that.
So, let's see. So these are all my work ones, which are fine. That's a
Right.
different. It's on a different thing.
Yeah.
But I should have also folders like that.
What?
Personals.
For the Verizon?
Yeah.
So you're missing folders from the Verizon account.
Yeah.
All right.
But you know what? It doesn't really matter if you can tell me how to, on the new one,
Yeah.
set up folders like this.
Yeah. All right. Okay. So. Oh, that's right. We did the POP3 account right here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
So those folders get married to another device unless you do an IMAP account. So when we
well,
do,
that's the thing that's coming up now, which
Yeah.
I don't understand.
how new
but-
is the new one? Have you turned it on yet?
Yeah, like I redid everything.
All right. Let's see what's
so,
up.
But let me ask you this.
Yeah.
I need Outlook on that.
Yeah.
I have a Microsoft Outlook account.
Right.
and I named that Susan 2023.
Yeah.
And on the Microsoft Outlook account, maybe I should just show you. It says something like that's not valid. This is valid.
Yeah. What? Let's turn on the
Okay.
new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
The
No,
new
leave that one here.
The
Here.
new one is turned on
Yeah.
because I'm stuck.
Right.
I'm again stuck on.
Let's not get lost in the clutter from the old one. Starting new means we can be minimalists
'Kay.
and only install what we want.
Okay. Well, I have Kaspersky on there. So
All right. I
maybe
would
we
probably
wanna-
recommend that. Oh, did you put it on there already?
Yes, because
Got
I
it.
had a
All right.
license that was still good.
All right.
Okay, this is where I'm stuck.
What
is
happens?
I can't get my email.
That thing's not on this Wi-Fi yet. Let me put it on the Wi-Fi because it's a brand new machine.
Okay. Anyway,
And if you're using 365, you've also got a Carbonite account.
I'm not using 365. 365 is for the business,
Right.
but not for my personal.
But my point is, it also can back up your data. Are you using Carbonite also?
Yes.
Okay, so you got Carbonite and OneDrive.
I don't use
So you're
OneDrive.
Okay. Well, okay.
I don't like OneDrive.
All right. Let me get it online.
Oops. But I want to show you what I'm trying to.
All right, we're online. Oh, that's a bug. Oh, this Outlook bug. Yeah, let's start over. That's the other thing. Let's see what updates might be pending here. Oh, guess you did all your updates.
So I did figure out, because you told me to go to AOL.
For your
get my
Verizon email,
Verizon
yes.
email,
Yes.
and so let me see, they just sent me a code.
Try to type your Verizon password right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
My Verizon password is which one?
I don't remember. Did you take note of it? Here, clear that
Yeah,
that stool off and
because-
use that as your other table.
Yes.
And bring it closer to you. Yeah. And
Well,
now you
that's
can
the
put your
thing.
laptop there. There. Now you got two locations. There. So
I'm pretty sure.
do you remember when you, I mean, we went through
Yes.
a lot of what your time here last time was resetting those passwords.
I think it's this, but it's going to tell me that it's not. And then if I try to reset it, okay, let me see. Let me see. This really makes me mad that this computer's working for you. Because
It's a half joke. People bring stuff to me and it just works.
it does work.
Yeah.
You know, it's magic, just like
Right.
the electrician guy.
Right.
Okay, so here's the same
Yeah.
thing.
Got it. I already
So
know.
what am
Yeah.
Okay,
Verizon. How many more months do you think you're going to rely on this Verizon email?
but none. I'm so, like 2 days. I'm so
Got
sending it out.
Let
to
me
people
Google. Let
and-
me go. I'm going to go Google.com. Now I'm going to go. Thanks. Verizon.net. No, what? Verizon.net. IMAP. Settings. Configure POP in IMAP settings. Okay, AOL users. Yeah, we don't. Come on, IMAP.
Well, that's the thing that popped up, which is then
Yep, I'm looking for
I
the.
called you.
Oh, that's right. We used it. Oh, that's right. The password was one of those copy paste passwords because AOL and Verizon are so legacy. They do a copy paste thing. That's why we can't remember it because we got to go. We have to do it again. It's a
Okay,
special
but-
password. Copy and paste password.
Oh.
We go into the AOL settings and then we paste it into the Outlook program because Outlook is considered not secure by AOL standards, but what's really not secure is AOL or Verizon. So yes, now I know why it's not working with the password that you think you remember.
Yes.
Remember when we did the copy
Yes.
paste?
Yes.
Yes. So what we're doing is a copy paste of a
Yes.
generic password.
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah.
I've got it. Okay, cool. So that's why that's not working. Let me see if I can. imap.aol.com. Let me just see if I can finagle this without having to go there.
Because that's what it did.
Yeah.
Yes. It went to that IMAP thing.
Yes.
And then I didn't
And then
know
it said
what
it
to
couldn't
do.
work
Yes.
because it's asking for that copy paste password, which is I
Yes.
think it's a pop feature, but let's see if I can get this to work. This trackpad. Come on. Oh. No, that's not what I wanted. I hate this mouse. It's touchpad. Let's see here.
I'm glad you use a hammer when you're.
Yeah, right. I was hanging pictures. Yeah, that's the hammer.
That's what I needed. I needed
Right.
a hammer for that machine.
Yes. Hack. I like this machine though.
Yeah.
I don't like trackpads in general. That's the problem.
Oh.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this imap.aol.com and see if I can get that to work without having to grab that. Do. Do. Copy. 993 and 465. Let's see if this works. Let's see if that password works. Drum roll.
Okay.
No, that didn't work, so we're gonna have to go get that password. And where is it? AOL.com. And then the mail. Oh, we've never married ourselves to this thing yet. Which email? There it is. There it is. Password. Now type your
Now-
type.
Which one?
Yeah, no kidding. It's not going to be that copy paste password. It's
Okay.
different. Try the password you think it last was. Careful, the mouse is plugged into that. I can't use
Okay.
that trackpad. Go ahead.
Okay.
In fact, I'm going to drive with the mouse over here. Go ahead.
Well, okay. I remember the Gmail one.
Let's see. Try that
See,
one.
it's invalid.
Try it. Did you write down what the password might have been? We really need to get you going on the LastPass.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, we might have to go through the motions of
Let me try
resetting it
one
in.
more.
Actually, we're signed in on this computer.
Yes.
Let me
I was going to show you before you change that screen.
write.
So this is Outlook,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So it says, do I have both this, which is the new one, and if you scroll down the old one, and what does that mean, location?
Oh no,
not?
this new one is the new one where this identifier is the new one.
Yes. So that means Microsoft Outlook is on this.
Not yet. Not unless you actually. Oh yeah, you installed Outlook on there. Yes, yes you did. I lied.
Well, it was installed on it.
So we have to activate it. So they installed the partial version of it. You have to marry your credentials to it by logging into your account. We can do that. Yes.
Logging in like from there.
Yeah. So we need to add that first email to your Outlook install.
Okay. So
Yeah.
what am I supposed to do with this?
Save path. So Yeah, the browser's trying to do you the favor of saving the password as you try to log in.
So I should save it
Sure, yes, I do.
because. Okay.
Yes. The browser can save passwords for you.
Okay. So to sign in, let me see if I can just get.
Yeah, do that.
Just.
It might do a one-time password thing.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Oh, God, there's all these letters.
Yeah, all caps, right?
Yes.
Hey, that's why you got to get out of that Verizon
Z-E-U.
headache. You're also using Dropbox too, so you got 3 cloud setups on here.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's see if we can leave this here.
Z-E-U-M-K-D. Create a new password.
Go ahead. Just
Okay, so I'm going to write this down
yeah.
as I create it.
Yeah, this is an AOL issue. Hang up. This is should not be as problematic as has been.
Okay, and this is my AOL,
Yes.
my Verizon password.
Yes. Are you in? It looks like you clicked on a malware backed ad. Oh, yeah, you clicked on an ad. Okay, click continue. Good. Click update.
Update here.
Yes. Maybe later. And now hit continue here. Good.
So, whoops.
That's fine. Let's do this. This is the new setup. Okay, let's just try this. Before we do one of those copy paste passwords,
Mm-hmm.
go ahead and type that password right here.
What I just
Yes.
did.
Let's see if that works. Ooh, the delay is good. That's a positive sign.
Mm-hmm.
No. Alright, so we're going to have to do the copy paste password. So we're going to go back to AOL. I guess we were doing it through this browser. Now we're going to go, stop it, we don't care about this. Go back to here. Oh, do you have give it a recovery email? Give it your Gmail email right there.
Whoa,
I think you clicked that ad again. It's annoying.
okay, recovery email
Yeah,
must be different. Missing. Okay, that's add
good. Phone number.
phone number. Please provide a new one.
That's annoying. Let's forget this. We're going to fire this email anyway. AOL.com. We're going to recreate that password. We actually have to create a new one. So we're going to go to mail. Is that too close to your feet?
No.
Alright, so now we're going to go to settings. Is it over? Where's the settings here? AOL Mail.
Okay, but actually,
go
so
ahead.
this is what I want.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's
Yep.
not on my old computer like that.
Oh, that number okay. Let's-
Well, it didn't when you turned it on.
Okay, let's see here. Where's the app password AOL? Where is it? Settings, 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 home. I don't want to go home. I want settings. Let's see. Where contacts? Where is the settings? Oh, account info. There we go. Account security. That's not obvious.
Oh,
All these security settings are buried.
yep.
Okay, so we want to create an app password, generate and manage app passwords. We want to do new del generate password. That's what we need. Copied. And now let's see if this password works. Next, and then Control V for the password, copy paste. There, and it's IMAP setup. The other one was popped, that's why you didn't have those folders. I don't know why that didn't work the last time you were here. Okay, so give it a second, and then your folder should just show up right here. I don't know why I couldn't get IMAP to work last time. Here come your folders.
So I think I had more, but
Well, give it a second.
oh yeah, they're all
They're
coming.
still
Right,
populating.
geez.
Yeah,
Okay.
see, there's your progress there.
Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture of this, right? So I can remember what my folders were,
Yeah.
and then yes, I think that. Oh, there's still.
Give it a
some more, but
second, yeah.
that's-
Now your inbox is going to start to populate. There it comes. It's going to be another minute or two.
But it's done syncing the folders.
No, not necessarily. As long as it says syncing right there.
Okay.
So, that was the bulk of what you were missing, right?
Yeah, this.
Got it.
So now what I don't understand, which is why, which is
Right,
the reason I walked in here,
right.
was I don't know how to set this up and then put all the carbonite.
Well, you got carbonite on here. That's why I asked her.
Right.
Notice.
So, but are you saying that because I put all the carbonite folders from there onto here, that they should go into here?
If that's the way you want to do it, yeah. It's just for me, even me as being a technical user, having Dropbox, Carbonite, and the one. Well, I know you say you're not using OneDrive, but 3 cloud systems on one piece of hardware. Just don't get lost. Just pay attention to where all your stuff is going.
But carbonite I only use if I like got a new computer.
Right. Yeah. It is an emergency backup. It's not a syncing backup like Dropbox or OneDrive. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And from what I last remember, I thought OneDrive was trying. Carbonite was trying to get out of the business of being in the consumer level backing up. They just wanted to do it at the commercial level.
Oh.
So I don't know what that status is now, but obviously it's still a workable system. So we're still waiting on that.
Okay.
Yeah, here, let me scoot by for a second. There. So until that's done, are we still missing any folders?
I don't know. Like I want to open.
It looks
up.
like a bunch of them are
Right,
folded
open
up.
some,
Yeah. You need to extract a few of them.
Yeah, this looks pretty good.
Good.
So, okay, so I'm gonna take a picture just so I remember.
Are they all folded out? Yeah, they are.
I think so.
Extracted or whatever.
Okay.
Let's see if we can fix your Outlook on this one. We can just delete the account. Account settings and Verizon. Yep. And remove. Yes. Good. So now I'm going to do this. Go to new. Let's fix these folders over here. There's a glitch. Got Okay. Connect. Okay, so now we're going to go back to AOL. Going to get that other copy paste security password. We're going to log in over here. Save password. Oh, that's right. Okay, so that password you just
So
changed in
it's a
AOL.
real-
I'm going to
yeah.
fix your IMAP problem on the old hardware here. So that password you just changed for AOL is what that needs. Good. Okay, let me see it. That's why I don't blame people for getting frustrated. They do things more complicatedly than it deserves to be.
It's a regular human can't do it.
Well, I get it. These utilities, they're just. I'm sorry, can you type that one more time?
Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't typed properly. Here, we can probably put that stool over here.
What does it say? Okay, it's not taking this, which I
You
know
just
this is
did
right.
it? Did you type the email? Is the email correct?
SDLeibson@verizon.net.
Yeah. You know what? Is Kaspersky hiding the button that allows us to view the password? Let's get here. That's so annoying. That's frustrating. Go ahead and try it again. Which? I don't know what. Oh, wait. There. That's what I'm trying to get at. Is that correct?
No.
There. That's our problem. It's
No.
pasting the wrong password.
Okay, that is correct.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Good. Okay, so now I can go to Susan, account security, and then we want to go to good, generate. We want to do delete the old one. Okay. Delete, good. Oh, that's why this is. AOL, you're so legacy. Good. Delete. Yes, good. Generate. That's. You got a bunch of expired passwords saved in the account. There we go. Now we're gonna do old. That's the new one. Good. Right? Yes. Forgot which one I had in my hand.
Yes.
Old Dell.
New one.
Good. Generate password. Copy. Good. Password. Control V. Now, drum roll. No, that didn't work. Okay. Could not. Change account settings. Oh yeah, this is what I. Did I leave the Edge open there? Can you click the Edge tab open?
What edge tab?
The
This
yeah
thing?
that yes. And can you click to the other? Click this tab right here. Nope. Click this one. I'll figure it out. I'll Google it again. I got the wrong server settings over here. That's why the hold on. AOL IMAP settings. Good. Oh, come on, some weird website. Give me AOL IMAP settings. IMAP. Copy. Paste. Copy. What is that? Hi, this is Chris.
Overno. You have a caller.
Hello, this is Chris.
Hi, Chris. It's Nate. I didn't hear a message, so I was just calling you back.
I'm
Were you
sorry.
able to figure it out?
No, I will before the end of the day. I'm still working on other projects, but I promise I'll call you before the end of the day.
All right. Do you know? I just want to know what time you close by.
About 6.
I'm going to dinner at 6, so I just want to know.
I'll be done by 6. You can call me before you go to dinner if you don't. You can call me before dinner if you haven't heard from me before then.
All right. Awesome. Thanks.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.
All right, bye. Drum roll.
Yes.
Looks like it's working. Okay, so you got yourself a spare computer then, because I think I fixed your IMAP issue over here.
Okay.
I don't know why it didn't just turn on earlier.
No. It didn't.
Right.
So,
Right.
I think this is updated as far
Yeah.
as. Okay. So, do you think then all my Carbonite folders went into the right
Did you sign into Carbonite and configure it?
place?
Here,
What does
is
that
it
mean?
logged into the cloud? Is a little green dot over by this, over by the clock?
Over by the clock. Sorry.
Yeah. Click that up arrow.
This thing?
Nope, next
This
to it.
thing?
Yeah, that. I don't
Okay,
see. Oh
this
yeah.
thing?
Yep. Click that. Let's see what its status says. Oh, it's in recover mode. Okay. Yeah.
So I had downloaded them all. Like
Right.
if you close this and you see the
Yeah.
folder, they're
Right.
all in there.
Okay. I guess it's recovering your stuff. It's not giving me an ETA. I guess that's one of the downsides of Carbonite. It takes a little longer. OneDrive is a little faster. That's why I haven't used Carbonite in a while.
So see, they're all in there.
Are they actually all there? I don't know. It doesn't imply that it's done because it says your backup is still in recovery mode.
But it did earlier today.
All right.
It said 100% and it's done.
Okay. Well, let's
So
wait
that's-
in a couple. Let's wait a couple days because this window here where it says your backup is in recovery mode doesn't tell me it's finished. That tells me it's still recovering your data.
Okay, but
Yeah.
if you click on this folder,
This recover folders. There's your C drive, users, Susan, and then all the documents.
but I don't know, how do you put all those documents into the folders?
Yeah,
That's
because
what I'm
yeah. So
confused.
it's all right. So what it does is it doesn't do your house cleaning. It dumps them all into one folder.
Right.
So users, Susan, desktop, and then oh, that's so annoying. I don't like that view. Let's see here. C, Carbonite Restore. C, yeah, all right. So we gotta go manually. These are the folders you care about. Why is that empty? Yeah, see, Carbonite is confusing me. Let's see. Carbonite, desktop. How much stuff did you have on the desktop over there? I didn't.
I had, yeah, I mean, I had this, but I don't need it on there anymore.
Okay, well that's. So you don't want any of this on the desktop anymore?
Well,
See that this desktop is not currently.
doesn't have anything.
Well, the live desktop that you're going to be operating on is empty until we move stuff onto it.
Right, right. Okay, but say this Jason 2018. So that was what, a folder or?
Yeah. If it looks like a manila folder, it's a folder. Otherwise, if it's an icon, it's a file.
Okay, so if it was a folder, was it on my list? Is what I'm trying to.
Let me see. Okay, so Susan, these are the folders you most likely care about. So there's your Dropbox. Your Dropbox you're going to sign into
Yeah,
separately.
like my documents.
Is this all your documents? It looks like you had a few Outlook files that were archives.
Yeah.
So this is your documents folder we're staring at here.
Okay.
You don't
Right. So where did those go?
You put, so we're going to drag them from the Carbonite Restore,
Uh-huh.
and then how it's dated,
Mm-hmm.
and then it creates its own place full of holders. C, users, Susan, documents. We're going to put it in the live documents folder.
Which is this?
Yeah, exactly. Do you want to do it so you can get?
Well,
so
okay.
you want to do it? Edit, select all, where you are,
Where's edit select all?
up at the top, or you can drag a box across. It looks like you've got 100,000 files. So just edit, select all. Here, Microsoft thinks they know minimalism, so they hid it from you. Let's go unhide. I want to go. Let's go. Select all. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to drag it into what folder are we? This is the document. So this
This one.
Nope, that's a shortcut. Let's just do it down here. Documents.
Oh.
There we are. So it's moving everything into the live documents
Oh.
out of the restore.
Okay.
Yeah. So Carbonite gave you the choice to do this for you, but you didn't do that. You allowed it to put it in a consolidated special folder.
Oh.
So
Okay. So now I have to go through each one of these.
yes.
But
So we can do that for the desktop. Try it for the desktop. Hi, this is Chris.
Chris Sobrino, you have a caller.
Hi, this is Chris.
So go to here.
Hi, my name's Jen. I was calling to see, do you guys not repair computers, but if a computer's broken, are you able to see if you could kind of recover the hard drive to get the files off of it?
I can make a basic attempt. There's no fee if I'm not successful. There's a $100 fee if I am successful, and if I am unsuccessful, I can refer you to a recovery specialist who only does that.
Okay, that'd be awesome.
Cool. So I'm in and out all the time. Go ahead.
I was going to say, do I bring the computers to you?
Yes.
And then what are your schedule like, and when's a good time to bring them?
If you want to just drop them off today, I should be able to do that. I'll be here until about 6. Otherwise, I'll be here tomorrow starting at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll probably have to swing them by tomorrow. Sometimes people don't even know where they're at. They're older computers, so we've been like holding on to them, and so it doesn't make sense to hold on to them back if you're able to get the data off.
Okay, yeah.
And we lost our dogs, so I really want photos from the one with us.
Got it. I know the feeling.
So,
Yep.
Okay, so we'll swing them by tomorrow then, and hopefully you'll be able to recover the file.
You say it's 2 computers?
I believe it's at least 2 to 3 laptops.
Okay.
One's an old Apple Air, one's a Sony Vaio, and I don't know what the other one is.
Okay.
There's another one.
Okay, so it's $100 for the first one. It's $50 for each additional, and again, I only charge for success for each one.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. And do you just pay basically, and I'm not tech savvy at all, do you just basically pay like move it to like a external
Yes.
hard drive where then we could plug it into our current computer and then you could just go to the
Y-
files
yes.
and grab what you need and stuff like that?
Yes.
All right, perfect. I really appreciate your help.
Thank
so
you.
much.
No problem. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, I selected them all, but I don't know how to move it to desktop.
All right. So you're gonna just drag it to the folder you want it. So
But-
yep.
Drag
Left
what?
click. Left click. Don't right click. Good. Now drag it to. There you go.
Oh, okay,
There we go.
into there.
There.
Okay, so where's my next group? What am I?
So you got to see we're still in the root of your folder you're looking
Carbonite,
through is the
yeah.
carbonate restore and
Mhm.
then today's date. So go
Mhm.
back. Or just go to users. That's as far back as you need. There you go.
So if I did documents, would it be empty?
Yes, it should be empty. There.
Okay, got it. Okay, so go to this.
Yep.
Okay, so
Pictures. You got pictures? I don't remember doing that one. Double. There. Edit select all.
okay.
Good. And now drag one of those, which is all of them, to the pictures folder.
Okay, but again,
It's all right.
I'm going back to, you know
Yeah.
how my folders were set up?
Yeah.
How do I set
What folders?
it up again?
What-
Like Ryan or Willamette or
Show me. Which folders are you speaking of?
so. See, I had it set up like this. My inbox.
Here, open up Outlook and see if it did that already.
Where am I going to?
Just
now?
open up your email in Outlook.
In this Outlook.
Oh, yeah, we gotta pay attention to where we're opening. What you accidentally did is open up the Mail app inside of Windows. We're gonna not do that. We're gonna open up Outlook, which is right here.
Okay.
There you go. So there's your Willamette University.
Okay. So
It took time for it to populate because that's how IMAP works. You get it now? So remember, POP doesn't do that. IMAP syncs any hardware you want with your one account. POP doesn't do that. It marries itself to one piece of hardware, and once that one piece of hardware grabs a folder, no other device you log in with can see it.
Okay, so why then did we have to physically move like pictures and why didn't that go into?
Oh no, that's different. Email is a totally different animal than just your
Okay.
data.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah, Carbonite doesn't really care about your email. Your email is its own animal.
Okay.
Yeah. So Carbonite did your desktop, your documents, your music, your pictures, your favorites, your videos. That's not your email.
Right. I don't think I really needed all that. Okay, for Carbonite. Okay.
Right.
So this has Microsoft Office on it,
Right.
and you didn't, or maybe you did.
You
moved it
already
from
managed
there
to put.
here.
Oh, let's make sure you're signed up already. In
Right.
fact, you probably are because when you logged in with your 365 account with your Verizon email, it already unlocked it. It key coded it because that's what you're paying annually for.
But I don't have 365.
Oh,
I
you just
have
do the one-time
regular.
fee, but it still has you log into your account by you logged into your Microsoft account because your placeholder is an email you set up here. Does that sound like a lot?
Yeah. So
Hold
when
on.
I remember when I showed you my Microsoft account and it had the Susan 2023
Yeah.
and it had the old laptop
Right.
and I said this one doesn't have like location and that one had Redondo Beach. and
Right. Let me see, let me just
I
make
didn't
sure.
understand if that was a
No.
problem.
Okay. So Office account. That's what we want. Yeah.
So-
So your Office account. See, this is what is telling us we have. Correct. You don't have 365. You have the Office Home and
Okay.
Business 2019,
Okay.
and then the account placeholder is your Verizon email.
Okay.
What you're probably going to want to do is change that so it's your Gmail or your other email because you're going to fire Verizon eventually.
Yes.
So anytime you see Verizon attached to an account you want to continue current with, fire the Verizon email.
Yeah.
So you're going to go through the motions of
Switching.
switching to a Gmail
Yeah.
or whatever other email
Okay.
you want.
So how long when does this expire?
It doesn't, because you did the one-time copy of Office.
Okay.
That's what 365 is. That's the one that expires every year.
Okay.
So you could pay $100 every year, and it's always the latest version of Office, because technically 2019 is out of date, because the latest one-time copy is 2021.
Right. Okay.
But 365 is always the latest.
Right. So this I can put on any.
Up to 6 devices. No, I'm sorry. This is the 365 is 6 devices. This is just one machine. So technically,
So is it off of that?
let me see what this is. Let me see what this is. File, account settings, and account settings. Office account. Yeah, okay, so eventually one of them is going to say, hey, by the way, you have an activation issue. Change license. Let me see here. Let's check your account. Yeah, because that's only going to be for one machine. Yeah, we cannot find. Okay, so that one, because that's the new machine, it stole it from this one.
Okay.
So in 30 days, it's going to start bugging you about activation, and then basically it'll lock down the system so like a document won't be editable until you activate it.
And I'll get that message on this?
No, because this is
Okay.
the newer one.
Okay.
That's
So
yeah.
I don't.
Right now it's yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you could buy a new copy if you wanted. Yeah. Or you can just let this thing die. But I haven't. This thing, you just brought it back and it came to life again.
I know.
So.
That's because it only works right here.
Yeah. It's like it's a half joke, but people do it all the time.
Doesn't
Stuff
work
just.
in my house.
Right. Right.
Okay. So, did we solve everything? I've got my email.
Right.
I'm getting out of that to Gmail. Everything's going to Gmail.
Yes.
And Carbonite, the only important stuff
It did its
was,
job. It restored all your stuff over. So now
Yeah.
what you can do is turn off that recovery mode so it continues to do a future constant backup. Because that's what the recovery mode is versus the constant backup. Let's go here.
Right, so I want just constant backup.
Yeah, so we can take it out. If you're convinced it's
Yes,
grabbed everything,
I am convinced.
then we can do resume my backup, and now it'll just, as you work, do a snapshot of everything every several 10 or 20 minutes at a time. Resume. I understand they want to make sure that you know that resume my backup is there. We go. So now it'll be backing you up from today on.
Okay. So again, the only thing in Carbonite that was useful was videos, pictures, documents,
Yes.
Excel.
Yes.
Okay, well I guess I should look for Excel, unless that was documents. Maybe that was just
Well, whatever was in the documents or the desktop
Oh.
folder, the pictures folder, the video folder, the favorites
But
folder.
there's like a ton of other
What other folders?
folders.
Which ones? Come here
well,
and see.
in Carbonite. You know that whole list?
Well, go ahead and show. I know.
Okay.
It's confusing for someone who's not terribly technical,
Yes.
but yeah, some of those folders are useless.
Okay.
That's my point.
So, alright, so let me just give you an example of. Okay. So this
Yeah.
Dropbox
Yeah.
issue again.
Yeah. No problem.
I should not download this.
Yeah.
I should just go online.
Right.
So forget putting these back on.
Right. Yeah. Dropbox. When you install Dropbox, everything inside of
Yeah.
it will just show up. Did you pay attention to the size of the drive? I got so busy I didn't even pay attention to how big your drive is. Let's see.
On this computer?
Yeah.
Huge.
Let's make sure. Yeah, okay, cool. You're only 20% full. Yes.
Okay, so
Oh, that's right. Dropbox was your issue when you were almost out of
Yes.
space. But you said you fixed that, right?
well, because I deleted a lot of stuff.
Or you told some of that stuff to stay in the cloud
Yeah. and I
without
did that
necessarily
too.
deleting it, right?
Yes, but
Go ahead.
realistically, everything I should just go to Dropbox Online
Yeah,
whenever
that's
I need Dropbox.
well, you could go to their website, or you could just go in the app, and it'll say, "Don't take up physical space on the drive."
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So downloads. If it was a document, would it have? Well, let me just look then. I should just look instead of. So I guess I could take the downloads.
Yeah, this drive is so that your drive is twice the size now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I could take all these downloads.
Yes, you could drag the
select them
downloads
all.
folders to the actual live downloads folder. Just drag them.
To the actual live downloads, which is this.
Yes. There you go.
This thing.
There you go. You know what? I don't think
Did it
you
go
dropped
in?
straight on it. Try it again. It looked like you tried to do it right between. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
There.
Okay, so then let me see what else this. So I did that desktop contacts. Well, the contacts thing we know. Okay,
Right.
like 3D objects. I don't know what that is.
Ignore it. Some app you installed created that folder.
Okay, Dropbox favorites. I don't think I have any favorites. And then links. I don't think I have that. So this is all that was in Carbonite.
Yeah,
Or no, that's all that was in the C.
Yeah, those are normal folders. You don't have to worry about those extra folders. So like the OneDrive, you're not paying attention to that one.
Right.
Yeah.
So.
What was there pictures? You probably had some pictures, right?
Yeah. So we put pictures.
Did
in
you do
there.
that already?
Yeah, we did it.
I don't remember doing that. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, if I go back to this, it's only the C. That's all I have to worry. There weren't extra. I thought there was like extra stuff.
There are some obscure places that some people might care about. In fact, let me check your Outlook file. So that's going to be Susan, and then we're going to unhide. This is why this gets frustrating for other people. I want to make sure that we're not hidden. Where's our view? How do we unhide? Unhide. Unhide. Options. We want to do show, view, show hidden files. Thank you. Good, so there we go. So now app data, and then local, and then Microsoft, and then Outlook. There. Well, that's not very sizable, but you had a small one. This archive.
Right.
It's
That's yeah.
so
Is it archived?
it's an archive, but it does. I can tell by the file size. It's only 16 megabytes. That's tiny.
Okay.
It only probably has 10 or 20 emails.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I can just tell by how small that is. It's of very little value.
Okay.
But you see how that's a more complicated location for data.
Yeah.
I just happen to know from experience that that's the default location for an archive that Microsoft Office dumps its files in because it doesn't think you're smart enough to manage it by putting it in a more basic folder like documents.
Right.
So I had to actually unhide that folder to go get it.
Okay.
So
So so I'm in Outlook now.
yeah.
So I'm gonna home. Yes, home. What I'm trying to say is it set up now so that my business guy can come and putting on productions?
What is that software? The email, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. He'll
So
do that through
he'll-
Outlook. Yes.
Yeah. So he'll be able to look at this.
Do you
and
not
say,
know your
okay,
password?
Well, I do.
Well, is he an IT guy or who is he?
Yeah, he's.
Then he
the
can
owner,
then
but
he'll know your password. Yeah, or
Yeah.
reset it if needed.
Well, I do know the password, but he.
Well, do you want to just try to add it yourself?
Yeah.
That might be possible. It's been another hour. All right. Let's see here. Account settings and then account settings. So if we just try it, worst case scenario, you're going to wait for him, but try it.
Okay.
Who's the provider for that email?
What is that?
Are you
mean?
paying GoDaddy for it?
Yes.
Okay, so it's probably a 365 or a.
Yes, it's 365. I know
got it.
that.
Okay,
Um,
so you are paying. It's a corporate 365.
Yeah,
it's
it's
not
a-
the consumer 365.
yeah.
There, it looks like it's working. Good.
Now, then
Type
he
that.
said,
There you
so
go.
the password for
Yep.
that is.
Yes, just click OK. Oh, yeah, yep.
I love that they're gonna apply the policy.
Yeah, there we go. Click done.
Okay.
There, it worked.
Okay,
You didn't
so
need him.
you need to restart Outlook.
Yep.
I'm gonna tell him. Okay, so how do I restart Outlook?
Just go ahead and restart the whole machine.
Okay.
Here, you can
where-
touch that. Yeah, touch the icon. Go ahead and close that. And then close that.
Yeah, so where is my
You're what?
restarting? I
Oh.
shut down my updates,
Yeah,
all
because
that.
it's the new Windows. The start
Where-
menu is
where
no
is
longer.
it?
It's right there. It's not there. It used to be in the far left, as it was
Yes.
since
What do you
1995.
mean? It's
Yes.
this
No,
thing?
it's the blue square.
Oh, it's this thing.
Yeah, there. And now here's your shutdown button.
Oh my god.
I know. They
Okay.
sometimes
Okay.
companies show their insecurities by changing things for the sake of change. That's
Okay.
Microsoft. So yeah, your start menu is no longer in the very far left. It's that 1/3 over.
So when I when I go on to my email,
Yeah.
it's still going through the old Verizon.
What do you
and if
mean?
I have a problem, because remember I couldn't get the email, so you told me
Right.
how to go on AOL.
Yeah.
So is it going on AOL or is it going on?
AOL is Verizon
Verizon.
email is forwarding its content to your Gmail. Remember?
Well, stop doing that too.
I think it's working now. We can
Okay.
check. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really care because I go on AOL,
Yeah.
but I'm just wondering when I.
Let's see how
Let's-
everything is. So
yeah.
We'll just peruse everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I go to good old email, which is where?
The Outlook icon, it's not saved by default, so just type the word Outlook where it says search. Yeah. There you go. You can click that. You want to keep that shortcut there?
Yeah, I want
Okay,
my.
cool. So we'll do right
email.
click and we'll do pin to taskbar right
Yes.
there.
Yes.
Good. It looks like your 365 corporate is
Mhm.
wanting to log into the OneDrive. So for a corporate OneDrive, are you using, that's the thing, are you using the OneDrive for the 365 that goes through GoDaddy?
Mhm.
All right. Never mind. I won't bug you about it then. All right, cool. So now see what things are. Go ahead and check
Yeah.
everything.
So now, okay. So let me see if it updated. Well, what is today? Is it the 28th? Okay.
Yeah, it's still updating. You got to wait for that to finish to say
Yeah,
if it,
but I got an email at 4:14 while I was here, so
Yeah.
it must have.
yeah. Good. So it's working.
Yeah.
Yeah, but wait while this is updating before you say
Mhm.
it is either is or is not working. Good. Let me see, what's this OneDrive? See, this is the, you don't need to do that. Yeah, so the OneDrive feature in your 365, through GoDaddy is not being used, so don't worry about it.
Okay.
You're already backing up to Dropbox and Carbonite. So that's why this says X right there. That X is telling you OneDrive is not doing the backup.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
But I don't have Dropbox.
Well, you haven't installed it yet, right?
No, because I didn't.
Right. You're going to do that manually.
Yeah.
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 You don't necessarily need to do that now, but that's where all your stuff is.
Yeah. Okay.
Good.
What else do I need to know?
No, I think you're good.
Oh my
It's great that
God.
you were able to do this with a spare computer because it makes my job easier, and now you have a spare. I don't have an answer for why it doesn't work at home, and then it worked when you brought it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the spare will not have Microsoft Office.
Right. The
This-
office is eventually going to start bugging
Yeah.
you, and you probably
So-
go another 30 days before it starts giving you registration errors. Yeah.
Yeah, and the spare. So really, this is the spare updating my email.
For the I don't know when it's going to stop. Probably 30 days.
When Microsoft Office stops.
Right.
Okay.
So let's.
So then after that,
Let me see here. Office accounts. Unless you bought 2 copies of Office 2019.
Well, okay, I asked the guy, does it come free on this machine? He
Right.
said, no, they don't do that anymore.
Right.
And then it's on here. So
Right.
I don't know if then when I went on my Microsoft,
Yeah, let's do this. Let me go to
Account.
Microsoft's website and see what they have you registered as.
right.
So,
So it's that account.microsoft.com?
yes,
Okay.
.com. I'm signing in over here.
And it's SD Leibson at Verizon.
Yeah, let's log in and see what's going on. So we're going to sign you into that account.
Yeah.
And let's see if you actually have 2 copies. Let's see here. It sees 2 hardware devices.
Yes.
And we don't want that. Let's do order history. View order history. No purchases in the last 3 months, but how about all available? Well, there you go. 1 copy of Office. Wait, we got 2 order numbers. That's why I'm confused. Hold on. Redeemed. $250 for the 2019. Yeah, you have 1 copy.
Okay.
You got 2 placeholders on the website. One says free, so I guess that's what the redemption does. But that's why it's confusing, because you get 2 order numbers. They both end in different numbers. So 447 versus 2970, and that's it. So yeah, as far as I'm concerned, you only have 1 copy of 2019. So this should start giving you limitations over here.
Okay.
Yeah,
And once it gives me limitations, then
you can pay for another license if you wanted.
well. Okay.
You can buy 2021 if you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. But basically, it's gonna. It doesn't matter if I had Office on there.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter which one I'm using.
Correct. That's how the IMAP works versus POP. If one of these was POP, you'd be up a creek. You'd be married to one.
Because it would just be on
Yes.
the hard drive.
Or
Okay.
whatever the email is, you clicked red. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Now I think we're good. And I don't see a problem with this machine. It's been reliable for the last 2 hours that you've been here.
Just wait.
Yeah, well.
You'll turn it off now.
Well,
I'll
let's
go
restart
home.
it. Yeah.
I'll try to start it.
Frustrating.
It wouldn't, and then finally when it went on, it was like Adele going around in a circle. Great,
Right.
it's starting up. Then it stopped. Then it was Adele going around in a circle, and
Right.
then just blank.
Got it. Who knows? Let's see what the updates are pending. Let me see if there are updates pending. I think this thing's totally up to date. Sometimes.
And that I have to do by machine, the updates.
Yes. Yes.
If I were updating that, it's not going to be
Correct.
updating it. Okay.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yes. I think this thing's totally up to date because you were just here a few days ago. Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll be back a few
All right.
days.
Yeah.
Or a few years. I don't know.
Well, hopefully twice, maybe every 6 months you show up here. I mean, it gets
Yeah.
frustrating when you have to see me more than that. I'm like the dentist. No one comes to me because we're passionate about these things.
Hey, that
Yeah.
lady that you're going to get all her photos, she's
Yeah.
pretty happy.
Yeah, well, I just lost my dog too, so I know her. I know where she is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't want to ask you, but I remembered.
Yeah, Tater passed away back in August.
Oh,
Yeah. He's in heaven.
yeah.
Yeah. I didn't sleep for a month, but it's
I
been.
know.
You get back to it.
Yeah, but do you think you'll get another?
Yeah, eventually. I got to figure out what I want to do long term. I got a lot of options. I got a lot of first world problems that way. It's like, I got land in other parts of the country. I got to decide whether I want to stick around or not.
Yeah.
So I got to decide long term what my long term plans are.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm
Yeah.
shutting this down.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not gonna. I'm fine not trying to forward this to Gmail.
Correct. No, all that happened in the cloud. Everything we just did here on the here is all cloud stuff is
Yeah.
moot. We don't have to worry about modifying anything except that you reset your AOL password again.
Yes.
And eventually,
I
and
know
in the coming weeks, you're going to fire that email.
Yes, I am.
Good.
Yes, I am.
Good.
Okay, so this is shutting down.
Yes.
And I have the plug to this.
Yes. Did you bring the plug for the other one?
Yes, it's on the floor.
Got it.
But okay, so
Yeah,
this
so-
is yours because this is
Is it?
going to your mouse.
Yes.
But
Because your
let me
trackpad was
turn
bugging me.
my-
So I'm going to do a full shutdown. Let's see if this thing turns back on.
Well, okay, you have to wait a minute.
All right.
Okay, this is this one.
That's for that? Okay,
That's
here,
for
go ahead
that.
and put it away. It seems to be a healthy battery.
Oh, yeah, it is here. And then this one is. This one's here. Or is it over there? I think it's on there.
Okay, so now I'm going to try to turn this on. Let's see if it does. Let's see if I can.
Okay, you know what? Let me press it. Maybe I'm pressing the button wrong.
I don't know. I just turned on. It looks keyboard's on. It does take about 10 seconds to light up.
I know, but okay, turn it off again, please, and
All
let
right.
me try to turn it on.
Okay, we're going to do a full
you said
shutdown.
just go bump. You just go down. You don't
Yeah.
hold it down.
And I was waiting for the backlit keyboard to come to life. So I'm going to do a full shutdown.
Okay.
Alrighty. So I'm going to do a full shutdown.
Yes.
I'm going to tell that it's off because the backlight on the back of the keyboard will be off.
Yep.
So it's still on as of now. There. Now I'm calling it off. Go ahead and try to turn it on. This is the old machine. You're going to probably want to label those because at a glance they look identical.
These machines?
Yes.
This one's filthy.
Alright. Give it a second. There. It's on. Give it another 5 seconds and the Dell logo will show up.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
go home and I'm gonna
Right.
do it in my
Yep.
house.
There.
I love this cute little machine, but it was driving me crazy.
Don't know why it was giving you grief. You know what? Could have been halfway through a little update. Who knows? Sometimes that happens.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically.
Why are you talking to me? That's weird.
Don't know.
Shut down. Alright.
Where's my phone? There we are.
See, you're at the top of my list.
All right. $100.
You sure?
How long? Yeah, I guess you've been over here over an hour and 15 minutes, so under 130.
I was like, the
Yeah.
last time I came, it was
Yeah.
120.
Yeah, last time you. Well, it was. I timed myself, so it's been an hour and 8 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
130. Okay, wonderful.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Yay, thank you.
Don't be shy if you get stuck. Just call me. Oh, the printer. Did you set your printer up at home?
No.
So that's the one thing I can't do from here.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
So-
let me know. Is it on the Wi-Fi? Do you know?
yeah.
Then it should just see it.
Okay.
So go through the motions of adding the printer. And is it what is it? An HP, a Dell, a Brother? Or,
I think it's a Brother.
good.
So I'm going to the
Here,
start.
you open it up.
Well, wait, this is the wrong one.
It doesn't matter. It's the same because it's
Oh.
both Windows 11.
Okay.
Just type the word printer where it says search. Password. Then it says search down below.
Okay, so down. Search. So printer?
Yes. There you go. Yeah, that. Yes. Good. Okay, that's
Yeah.
my personal printer there.
So it's this one.
Well, not. Is it? Is that what you have? An
Yeah,
HP?
that's what I have.
Okay, so add that when you're home, and you're good.
Okay, but I have to add it on that one.
On the new one, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, great.
We're good.
Okay. Now you
Yes.
can do some real work.
No, it's all right. I did not expect to have much work for the last 5 days of the year, but last few days have been busy. Yeah. I
Yeah.
expected everyone to be on vacation or just in a relaxed state of mind.
Yeah, so
Right.
I'm trying to be in a relaxed state of mind.
Right.
But I can't be when
Right.
I go into my house and my computer doesn't turn on.
Right.
Oh,
Oh.
okay.
Yes.
I don't know when I'll see you again.
No problem. Hopefully it's not for at least, well, maybe it's okay if it's not for a computer problem sooner, but later if it is.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alrighty. Alrighty. Hack. Alright. Anyway, my name is Chris. I am the South Bay Tech Guru. Show up in the YouTube chat. Give me a call, 855-434-8787.